Now turn up.
What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today's Let's Talk Tuesday, and in this video, I'm going to continue talking about how I'm going to be trying to get my hair to grow back, and I thought that I should unbox my Viviscal box with you because when I opened it, there was a lot of stuff in there that I didn't realize I was getting. I thought that I was just buying the little supplement, but when I opened the box, there was all kinds of stuff, so I figured I would share it with you guys first, and then I'm going to try the products out, and like in a week or two, I'll let you know what my thoughts are about the products they included in my box. So without further ado, let's see what I got in this thing. Okay, guys, so you guys know, those of you who have watched my other hair loss, hair growth videos, know that I've started Club Rapunzel, which is a Cratejoy subscription, and I am seeing some good results, but I'm not sure if it's from the things that I'm getting in my Club Rapunzel box or if it's the supplements that I'm taking in conjunction with that. I'm not really sure. Doesn't matter. I'm going to keep doing what I'm doing because I am seeing some very good results. Okay, so here's what the Viviscal looks like. So when I got this big box, you know what I'm saying? Like, this is a really big box. I thought I ordered just supplements, and this is very big for one little bottle of supplements, right? So when I opened it up, this stuff to fall out. This is what it looks like. So I was like, okay, there's a lot more in here than just the supplements. So when I pulled, was it this one? This one? Okay, hold on. Which one is it? It's this one right here. It says, your journey begins with free gifts. Awesome. So it says, the journey to reclaim your hair starts with a selection of thoughtfully chosen healthy hair products valued at $90, mine free. Awesome. Do I sound like a late night infomercial? Because I feel like one. Okay, so it says that I built my own bundle, so now I'm going to learn how to best use the choices that I made. So apparently I made some late night choices and didn't realize it. Again, I thought I was just getting a bottle of supplements, so, you know, whatever. All right, let's start with these things that are sticking out here. So I have a densifying shampoo and conditioner, okay? So right now I'm just using, you know, a regular shampoo and conditioner that I get at the store. Of course, it's for like restructuring your hair and helping to rebuild your hair, but it's not a very expensive one. I think it's like $5 at Walmart, whatever, right? So I don't know what these claim to do that one's not doing, but let's take a quick look here. So here's the shampoo. It says, at Viviscal, we understand the science of healthy hair growth from the inside and outside. Only Viviscal Gorgeous Growth Hair Care range contains the phytonutrient-rich anti-tell complex. Did you guys get all that? Because it might as well be in a different language because I sure didn't. Okay, so it says this shampoo will gently cleanse and leave your hair looking and feeling fuller and thicker. To get the best results, nourish your hair from within with Viviscal supplements. Okay, so you're supposed to do this in conjunction, well, let me turn it the right way, in conjunction with the supplement. And I guess it's claiming to make your hair look thicker. I don't know if that's going to be something that's going to happen. I'll let you guys know because I'm going to start using this stuff tomorrow. So we'll see how it goes. All right, so here is, oh, this is the supplement, right? Yeah, okay. So it says nourishes thinning hair and promotes existing hair growth. All right, so this is a specifically formulated amino marine complex. Okay, so let me show you guys this. This is what I thought I was getting, and that's all I thought I was getting, but apparently I have a lot more stuff that's in the package here. All right, ooh, this is a 3-month supply. I just saw it somewhere. Okay, yeah, so right here it says 3 months supply. Okay. So this is what it looks like. That's what the little container, how it comes. So let's see what I'm supposed to do here. I dropped out the little pamphlet here. But it says, for best results, take 1 tablet twice daily. Oh boy, that stinks. So I guess I'll have to do it in the morning and like with my dinner, I guess. Because I eat first thing in the morning, so that will work out fine. For 3 to 6 months, best taken with water after a meal. The Viviscal tablets are easy to swallow. Do not exceed the recommended daily intake. So I do need to do this twice a day. So the other things it has in this, besides that marine complex that I just told you guys, I almost dropped it. They have vitamin C, they have niacin, biotin, calcium, iron, and zinc. Oh, and then they also have a horsetail stem extract and a millet, probably, seed extract in there. Okay, so that's what is contained in this little supplement that I'm going to start adding to my daily rotation. And again, I'm going to start doing this tomorrow. And I'm going to wash my hair tomorrow with shampoo and conditioner, so we'll see how that goes too. So then I have this volumizing dry shampoo. So, okay, they included this in there. I don't know what's so special about this compared to all the other dry shampoos that I currently use. But, oh, it's claiming that it will instantly refresh your hair and add volume, body, and texture. I'll let you guys know. Because, again, I'm going to try all this stuff this week. We'll see if anything that they put in here does any of the stuff it claims to do. Okay, so in addition, I'm going to look at the little sheet here. Perhaps I should have done that as I was going along. But, the shampoo and conditioner was not... Okay, that was part of the package that I purchased. The shampoo, conditioner, along with the supplements. And then I got the dry shampoo, I guess was a bonus, but I don't see it on here, so I don't know. I don't see it on here as the free gifts, so whatever. But this free gift here, we'll start with this one. Open it up. It is a super cute travel bag. So it's really cute though, guys. It's got the cool ombre effect. Ooh, and I love it when bags are like this because if you spill something, I don't know what this is, but anyways, you can wipe it out very easily. So I like the material that's in here. That's very cool. The only thing about it is that it says Viviscal on it, and everybody knows what Viviscal is. So they're going to know that you don't have hair. Now, in my case, it's not a big deal because obviously I've made a YouTube video about it to let anybody who wants to know. But I'm just saying, for the average person, they might not necessarily want to spread the word that they're trying to regrow their hair. So I don't know how I feel about that, but I understand branding, they have to do that. So Viviscal travel bag, perfect for when you're on the go, or try that again. Perfect for when you're on the go, our Viviscal travel bag makes it easy to store all your hair care products in one place. It's a 9.5 inch by 5 inch zip top bag in bold, bright ombre shade, so you'll never lose sight of it in your suitcase or tote. I thought it was going to give me some more valuable information. I just totally wasted your time. I thought it was going to kind of tell me what the inside was and all that stuff, but whatever. Okay, let's move on to the next thing because I just totally wasted everybody's time. Just awesome. Let me open this up. So I don't know what's so special about their brush compared to the brush I'm currently using because they look very similar. So here's their brush. Let's see if they say anything important about the brush. It's a detangling brush. So it's gentle on the hair, rough on knots, and safe to use on all hair types, wet or dry. So it claims. Let's try running this through my frizzy hair and I'll let you guys know. Perfect no matter what no matter what look you're after. Okay, so here's the thing, guys. They always claim that everything's for all hair types, and then you try to run this through somebody's fuzzy fro and it's not going anywhere. I will let you guys know if this actually works like they claim for all hair types. Okay. So the other thing that they include in here, I'm not going to read about all this stuff because clearly none of it seems to have a special purpose. I mean, they made me think that I needed to read this to you guys, but I really don't. So we're just going to fast forward through the rest of this stuff and I'm just going to show you what I got if I can open it. If I can't open it, then I may not show you. Let me just show you what's back. Hopefully you don't get glare. So I have these little twisty hair bands, which is fine. They're like that. That's fine. I'll most likely use them. Okay, so we have a hot oil hair mask, virgin coconut. They gave me 2 of those, so that's nice. I will definitely use these because hot oil treatments are very good for your hair. Oh, so I microwaved this. I was wondering because it's like it's hard as a brick, super hard. So I'm like, what the heck? I was expecting, whatever. So I have to heat this up in the microwave first and then put it on my hair. Okay, that's cool. And then we have Gorgeous Growth Densifying Elixir. How do I use an elixir? Can you guys see that? Sorry, I saw some glare, but what the heck? How do I use this elixir? There. Ultimate body boosting. I'll let you guys know. I guarantee it's, not going to be a wonder thing, but I'll give it a try. I'll take all the body I can get in my actual real hair. So this 2 to 3 pumps on the palm of your hand. So what are you claiming? ultimate body boosting leave-in elixir for thicker, fuller looking hair. That's what they claim this does. We'll see how it goes, guys. I really don't know. But they're also claiming I'm supposed to have something else in here that I don't see, unless they didn't choose that for me. So, yeah, they must not have. I guess these are the things you could get. I could have got a satin pillowcase, hot oil hair mask. I did get the hot oil mask. I got the densifying elixir. Oh, I didn't get velvet scrunchies. I could have got a weekly case. I didn't get that. Hair claws. I didn't get those. Okay, I would have really liked to have had that satin pillowcase, but, you know, whatever. They picked what they picked for me. Okay, guys, so I will let you know how this goes. I'm really not sure that I'm going to see any major differences, but I am going to do this in conjunction with everything that I'm currently doing. So I guess it's going to be kind of hard to tell what's exactly working, but I just thought it would be just adding another supplement, so that's not a big deal. If it, like, you know, expedites the process, taking this supplement, fantastic, you know, but I'm not going to know exactly what is working, so that's the only thing with the way that I've chosen to do this. I don't know how beneficial it's going to be for you guys, but I'll definitely let you know if I see any more... what's the word I'm looking for? Like more expedited results in incorporating the Viviscal stuff into what I'm currently doing. Okay, so that's all I got for you guys in this video. Sorry I wasted a lot of your time like reading things when I thought that I was going to read something special that their product does versus other products, but it's all just really the same stuff that you can probably buy in the store. I'm just saying. But I will let you know about, you know, like the shampoo, conditioner, the elixir, and the dry shampoo, as well as the actual supplement. And I'll let you know if this brush actually goes through my hair. That I will be very shocked about if it actually does. Alright guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! My name is Amber Meeks. Today is Let's Talk Tuesday, and on this video, I have for you some more information about... I'm rapping. Some more information. Need to not talk with your hands like that. Try it again. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is Let's Talk Tuesday, and on this video, I'm going to unbox my Viviscal subscription. Is it a subscription? I don't know what it is. All right, hold on. Today is Let's Talk Tuesday, and in this video, I'm going to continue talking about my hair loss journey. Hair loss? My hair growth journey. Okay, try it again. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Ambazar's DI. Something in my eye. What does it claim it does? It says, at Viviscal, we understand the science of healthy hair growth from the inside and outside. Only Viviscal Gorgeous Growth Hair Care Range contains... I'm going to have to start over. I am going to have to start over. That's terrible because I was like doing good. Okay, great. Okay, guys. So you know I have started the Club Rapunzel subscription for those of you who have seen those other hair... Are they hair growth? Hair loss video? I don't know. Whatever. Try it again.